Hi, this is Matan Lurie, mentor to AmbrosiaBio on behalf of Brinc FoodTech Accelerator. Brinc is very excited to have invested in Ambrosia, which has a unique enzyme platform, which is able to transform cane sugar into rare sugars in a cost-efficient way. Rare sugars share the same properties as traditional sugar from a cooking and taste perspective, but have only 5% of the calories and a glycemic index of 0, thereby helping to address one of the most critical problems facing our society, which is the obesity epidemic. It's noteworthy that the global sugar and sweeteners market is worth more than $120 billion, thereby making Ambrosia one of those potentially industry disruptive technologies, as there is an increased consumer push for more clean label and healthy alternatives to traditional sugar. Thank you very much.
Sugar overconsumption is literally killing us. A staggering 40% of the world global population, 3.2 billion individuals, are considered overweight or obese. We have no time to waste. Sugar is everywhere, and food producers are practically unable to significantly reduce sugar level without negatively impacting the product's original taste and mouthfeel. Sugar is not a synonym for sweet. That is why both natural and artificial sweeteners have failed to replace it. We believe that rare sugar such as allulose, tagatose, and allulose are going to prevail and change that. These naturally occurring sugar provide bulk, texture, scent, and of course the taste of a sugar while having a fraction of its caloric burden without any effect on blood glucose or insulin level. The problem is that rare sugar are prohibitively expensive. Current production method and scale are negligible and are unable to catch up with growing global market demand. We at AmbrosiaBio are determined to replace the obesity-promoting sugar with a much better for you alternative, affordable rare sugar. To do so, we disrupted rare sugar production using synthetic biology methodologies, harnessing 3.5 billion years of evolution to generate superior enzyme. Ambrosia had developed patent-protected enzyme which enable effective conversion of plain sugar to rare sugar. Our first commercially available enzyme is 10 times more effective in converting fructose to allulose, compared with the industry best performing enzyme. Simply put, we are transforming a commodity into an affordable prized novelty. Globally, only a handful of companies own a technology for production of rare sugars. In order to rapidly increase capacity, AmbrosiaBio is decentralizing rare sugar production. We are providing our proprietary enzyme together with a plug-and-play state-of-the-art engineering platform for our expanding regional partners. Leveraging Ambrosia's strong and expanding IP position with current sugar starch production capabilities will significantly reduce production capex and opex. Ambrosia revenue stream is based on NRE for the initial setup phase and on ongoing supply of its proprietary and unique enzyme. I am glad to share with you that our proposed B2B horizontally structured business model is generating discussion with some of the world's largest commodity manufacturers and with several other tier 2 and tier 3 local players. AmbrosiaBio is pursuing to disrupt not only the 120 billion sugar market, but also the 200 billion juice market. Natural juices are no longer perceived as healthy by consumers. In fact, freshly squeezed juices contain the same amount of sugar as sweetened soda. These sugars originate from within, from the fruit itself. Ambrosia's current challenge is to enable for the first time the enzymatic activity also in challenging acidic conditions. We'll succeed allowing for the first time a beverage with a better for you sugar composition that maintains the juice's original taste, a real game changer. Ambrosia team possess deep expertise in synthetic biology, metabolic engineering, and bioproduction processes, all combined with strong and business and operational acumen. Maybe a bit about myself. So my name is Ziv Zweigart. I have a PhD in biochemistry from the Weizmann Institute of Science and an MBA from the Reichman University, in the past 3 years I became passionate about finding sugar reduction solution because I strongly believe that it remains one of humanity's greatest unsolved challenges. To date, AmbrosiaBio operation was sponsored mainly by non-dilutive, highly competitive research grant. That said, we are currently raising an additional $2.5 million in order to further optimize and scale production capacity. Join us today. Together, we will turn our world into a healthier place and of course make some financial profits. Thank you very much. Shalom.